I'm Dr. Divya Parashar and I head the psychology department at ISIC. One of my fondest memories of Chairman Sir is him engaging with patients on a regular basis and asking how they're doing, were they being looked after well at ISIC. And he would always, whenever he would meet me, he would pause and ask me for the pulse of the patients and how they were doing. So his level of involvement with patient care and his commitment and compassion was noteworthy. For me, the strongest message of him scaling the power of the mind and summiting that is what continues to inspire me on this journey to provide care to the people who come into our doors, and that's the legacy that he's left behind. Of course, a man of a huge, big, warm heart. That's how he is and always will be.